Rainbow Hands!
Hi everyone! Welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today we are going to draw 2 yummy lollipops. First, draw one big circle. Then right next to it, draw another circle. These are our 2 lollipops. Inside the circle, draw a spiral line that goes round and round from the center to the edge. Now, inside the second circle, draw rainbow slices like a pinwheel. Start from the center and make curved shapes going out to the edge. Wonderful! Let's add a cute bow under each lollipop. So adorable! Now draw long sticks under both lollipops. Make 2 straight lines for each stick and close the bottom. Nice work! Let's use a thick pen to outline everything. Look how clean and cool it looks. It's coloring time. Red. Let's color this part red. Orange. Let's color this part orange. Yellow. Let's color this part yellow. Green. Let's color this part green. Blue. Let's color this part blue. Purple. Let's color this part purple. Pink. Let's color both ribbons pink. Peach. Let's color both sticks peach. Amazing job, friends! Both lollipops look yummy and colorful. Our lollipops are starting to shine and look real. They are becoming just like real candy. So yummy looking! Great job today! You colored and drew so well. Now we are ready for our next picture. Let's move on together. Hi everyone! Welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today we are going to draw 3 yummy candies. Are you ready? Let's start. Start at the bottom left. Draw a big round shape. Now add the little wrapper on each side. Move up. Draw another big round shape. Add the wrapper on the sides again. Very nice. Now on the right side. Draw one more big round candy. Add the wrapper shapes. Let's make fun candy patterns. For the first candy, draw stripes, straight lines from top to bottom. Good work! For the second candy, draw big dots. Round circles all over. So cute! For the third candy, draw a check pattern. Lines across, then lines the other way. Amazing! Now take a thick marker. Let's trace all the lines slowly. Make everything neat and clean. Great outlining! Our drawing part is all done. It's coloring time! We will color together. Now hot pink. Let's use this hot pink color. Color, color, color. Nice job! Pink. Let's color with pink. Let's use this pink color. Color, color, color. Beautiful! Yellow. Let's use this yellow color. Fill it in. So bright. Light green. Now light green. Let's use this light green color. Color slowly. Very pretty. Sky blue. Let's use this sky blue color. Color nicely. Great work! Blue! Now blue! Let's use this blue color. Keep coloring. Wonderful! Purple. Last is purple. Let's use this purple color. Fill in the spaces. Looks amazing! Let's add a little more color to make it bright. That was wonderful! Now the candies we drew together are going to turn into real candies. Are you ready? Here they come! Look at that! They turned into beautiful candies! So cute and so sweet! You did such a great job today! Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today! See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends!